Speaking about Elon, he dares the auto workers union hold a vote at Tesla's California factory. Tesla has previously been found guilty of sabotaging unionization efforts. What's he doing?
What?
Oh, he invited the UAW, that's the big labor union for automotive. He tweeted this challenge at President Joe Biden speaking in his State of the Union address, mentioned rival automakers. Yeah, we talked about how he mentioned Ford and General Motors again, and Elon was a bit pissed about that.
Mm-hmm.
Then Gene Simmons got involved.
Mm-hmm.
He said the snub from pro-union Biden may be because Tesla is non-union and moved to Texas. Musk apparently agrees and responded, I'd like to hereby invite UAW to hold a union vote at their convenience. Tesla will do nothing to stop them. Musk's argument is that because the Bay Area has such a competitive labor market, Tesla has to treat and compensate our people well, which makes unionization unattractive. I see. So he's daring them. He's saying, go, try. See if they want to be in your union, because he feels like they're so happy to work at Tesla. They'd be like, hell no.
Yeah.
Like, we're cool.
Yeah.
Leave us alone.
It would be interesting to see the results.
Yeah, this is a topic that has been increasingly showing up in our news feed. Starbucks and then Apple, and I'm sure plenty of others. Maybe Amazon, it comes up from time to time.
Kotaku Gizmodo Union.
Oh, there you go.
That
Kotaku
happened yesterday.
Gizmodo. They're on strike. Yeah, it would be interesting to see what happens, but he seems legit. I mean, I don't know. Imagine them taking him up on it. It'd be hilarious. They obviously won't. But
He seems pretty confident.
yeah.